Okay, you guys. So, I did 2 miles, 2.31 miles in about 45 minutes. It was a pretty good workout. I listen to tribal when I go walking, so I wasn't just walking, I was also dancing at the same time. Man, it intensifies the workout like that much more. You see, I'm sweating all through my shirt. See, on my arms, they're shiny. My face, I'm just so sweaty. It's gross and disgusting, but if it's worth it in the end, I really want to lose these 30 pounds before August and then keep going. You know, that's my first goal, so let's see how it goes from there. So, see what I'm going to go eat.